Hello, today I want to show you how you can get Prometheus data into EMP, and for that I have some Prometheus instance running on my local host, and I also have some collectors running, and it will also grab data from the EMP for self-monitoring. So to be able to use Prometheus in EMP, you have to add a Prometheus environment. I already have added here my local host, and as you see, it's quite simple. You give the host, you give the port, and that's it. The next thing, here's an example what you can get out of Prometheus depending on what you feed in. So this here is the EMP self-monitoring, and these are various charts that we created with Prometheus data. Now, how does the query look? So it's similar to other sources. So you have source, and then you have Prometheus. And here as well you can use control space for having the selecting the environment, and then you can write here your queries, Prometheus queries. I already prepared something here. So I have here a query that basically just gets some heap metrics, and you see I get here the pool, the name, time, and the value. And let me show you what I did down here. So basically here I used each parameter that you can use on every possible source with an array of values. What I have here is just the queries, and then I used the meta function to get these parameter for the query. So this source will now be executed for each of these queries, and basically what I'm doing here is I'm just fetching all the data regarding Eden space. Normally I would filter here as well on the instance. I only have one instance, so this is, in this case it's fine. But normally I would have something like this here. So everything is only one instance. And then no matter if I use G1 GC or the old GC, this will fetch data. So, and basically with this I then create a chart with the GC space over time. So this is what you can do with Prometheus. There are, as far as I remember, exactly, so you can as well put the interval placeholder that will basically give you, let me see if this query is working. Yeah, this is working. So this one will create the replace the interval for the selected time range. So here we have it now per minute, as far as I see. When I use the last 7 days, then it's per 2 hours, and that's basically what this interval does. So it automatically adds this 5 minutes or 15 minutes for you. So but based on the number of the time frame that you have selected. Good. And in the documentation you find some few queries how you can that you can use. So we have a few here, like JVM queries for the simple client hotspot, and some Windows exporter queries from the Windows exporter. Good. I think that's it. I wish you a lot of fun getting your Prometheus data shown in EMP.